Hi everyone, my name is Ferry Ferianto Sakatama. I am from R4B. I will explain 5 features at Edmodo for lecturer. Please watch this video. First, share a research, photo or article. This feature is useful for sharing material that will be studied to class. It can be the form of link, photo, video, Word file, or PDF. How to use this feature? By clicking, then enter the file material to be studied, then select Send. Two feature is a assignment feature. Assignment feature are used by teacher to provide assignment to students online. This feature is equipped with deadline time and attached file features such as Word and PDF, so students can send assignment in the form of files directly to the teacher. In addition, assignment submission also have a turn-in button that indicate that students have completed their assignment. Teacher can directly provide an assessment of the result of assignment that have been done by student. Here I will explain how to use the assignment feature. Select the Create Assignment button. After that, there is a form that must be set, like the title for assignment, the date for setting deadline for submitting assignment, log after the date to log the deadline for collecting assignment if student exceed the deadline that cannot collect assignment. Schedule is for sending assignment, and the instruction form for instruction on assignment for student. If everything is set, then select Send. 3. Quiz feature. Quiz feature works to provide several types of online evaluation, both in the form of true or false, multiple choices, short answer, and fill in the blank. This quiz feature can only be created and accessed by the teacher alone, while students only have the task to answer the questions that are there. Here how to make a quiz. Click the plus button and create a quiz. After that, you will be told to fill in the title form, that is the title of the quiz. And then a quiz duration can be set for how long the quiz is held. Then choose the type of quiz. There are many quiz models, just choose and fill them according to instruction. After everything is set, just select the assignment button. 4. Library feature. This feature is used as repository for various learning resources with the diverse content. With the library feature, the teacher can save teaching material, presentation, picture, video, audio, and other digital content. Links and files contained in the library can be shared both with students and groups. 5. Search Edmodo. This feature is search engine for material resource from outside and is shared with the classes or groups. The way is by typing the keyword material that you want to search. Select the material that matches the class being taught. Then there is a button to share with the class. So that's all 5 features at Edmodo. I hope you can use this feature after watching this video, and thanks for watching.